Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars SMX Air textile jacket. Okay, as of the time we're shooting this video, this jacket retails for $259.95. Pretty solid value, man.
Reasonable for sure.
Very reasonable. I got to tell you, this is now my new favorite summertime jacket.
It's pretty sexy.
Give 'em a 360. It's available in multiple colorways. Beyond the one we're showing you here, go to the website to view the images, more details. Look at the screen printing on this, right? That looks great. Some reflective stuff. Asymmetrical Alpinestars logo. High ventilation. Got all this mesh. Perforated ballistic nylon here. Mesh up into the collar. Mesh on the inside of the arm. Large mesh panel back here. Stretch fabric across the top. It is Tech Air ready. If you want to use the Tech Air 5 underneath this, you can do it. Asymmetrical reflective Alpinestar logo there. Integrated shoulder protector. Ballistic nylon in the impact area. Using a zip to tidy up the sleeve. I like the heavy gauge zipper here in the center. It's using the Nucleon Plus armor. CE level 1 certified in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder. God, I skipped right over sizing. I got all excited over this jacket. Like I said, new favorite one. How tall are you, bud? What do you weigh?
I'm 5'11". I weighed 157 pounds this morning, and I'm wearing size medium.
And I would say the fit is spot on. This jacket also includes a fully removable wind-breaking inner liner. That is in the jacket right now. It's pretty thin. It doesn't really take up a lot of volume. It comes with the CE armor in the shoulder, elbow, and forearm. It has pockets to accept the Alpinestar chest inserts if you want to use those, and it also has pockets to accept the Alpinestars back inserts. We have options there, and I learned something new today myself when I did the second part of this video earlier. This jacket has a larger, it has the regular size pocket to take the standard Alpinestar back insert. Did you know there's a longer one?
I did know there's a longer one.
Why didn't you tell me?
I maybe should have read.
Maybe I should have read. This jacket also has the pocket to accept the longer coverage Alpinestar back insert. We're going to show you that a little more clearly in the second part of this video. You can see the difference in the size of the pocket. It'll give you an idea of the additional coverage provided by that insert if you want to go that way. End of the day, more protection is never a bad thing. You're the guy wearing the jacket, dude. What do you think?
I don't know, dude. I feel pretty factory with the screen printing on the front, if I'm being honest. But other than that, I think this is sweet. Like, if he were to ever let me probably ride a street bike, this might be the first jacket I'd
You're 18 now, dude. You can do what you want.
No, if I came home with a street bike and I put that thing in the garage, dude, he'd kick me out. I'd be living in the...
I would never kick you out, my kid. I love you. If you like what you see and you want a little more information, stay tuned for the second part. I'm going to have this thing all torn apart, give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The SMX Air Jacket from the inside out. Here is our removable windproof inner liner. I like the way they attached it. They used some snaps on both sides of the breast. There's an inner storage compartment here with a Velcro closure that's going to be on the left side. A couple more snaps here at the body of the liner. 2 snaps at the cuff. It really holds it in place, and this is nice because it extends the usefulness of this jacket. If you get some of those mornings where you know it's going to be a nice riding day, it's going to be good and warm outside, but the morning's going to be chilly, you throw this thing in, it breaks the wind until the temperatures rise, you pull it out, it takes up almost no room, you store it even in the trunk of your bike, you are ready for the sunshine. Armor that is included. This is CE level 1 certified Nucleon Plus armor. This is your shoulder profile. This is your elbow and forearm. More than enough protection that is super comfortable for the street. Shell of the jacket itself. Large mesh panel here in the back. Got a stretch fabric here. Some printed on details over the top of it. A-Star logo reflective down here at the base of the jacket, kind of asymmetrical. Volume adjuster is done with Velcro and textile. Get to the sleeve of the jacket. The impact zone is all done in a heavier denier nylon fabric. Got a nice mesh fabric here on the inner arm for maximum cooling. That extends all the way up, as we showed you earlier, up into the collarbone area. Of course, the front of the jacket, full mesh. Integrated shoulder slider, Alpinestars logo. That's going to work in conjunction with the armor that we already showed you to increase protection in that area. Zippered cuff. Get to the front of the coat. This is just such a good looking jacket. Screen printed, some reflectives done, asymmetrical logo, perforated ballistic nylon here, large mesh panels down here, nice big zipper pull, nice thick zipper too, large hand warmer style storage pockets. You can see I wear 2X gloves, I have big hands, large pocket, easily get your hand in and out of it. Comfort lined mesh collar, internal mesh liner in the jacket, waterproof storage pocket, and I like how they located this one down lower so it has less of an impact on the ventilation up higher in the jacket where it seems to be more critical. If you want to use the Alpinestars chest armor, the pockets can be found on either side of the breast. There's a Velcro closure on it. You open that up, slide the protector in, enhance the protection in that area. You want to attach to your belt or belt loops on your pants. There are 2 snap loops to get that done right here. They use an elastic material to make it comfortable when you're moving around on the bike. You need to get in to get the shoulder armor or the elbow armor out of the coat. Just go ahead and unzip this pocket down here. It allows you to get behind everything. Alpinestars has a couple of different back inserts at this point. Different models, now they have a different length. This pocket is configured to accept either one. It can accept the standard version, or it can also accept the longer one. You'll see right behind here, there's kind of a gray mesh. There it is right there. That longer tail is going to be for that one. The pocket in front of it is shorter, right? So if you want more length, and you can see the difference is going to be about that much. I mean, that's the difference in length right about here. Okay, so if you want more protection, look for the other insert. We should probably grab one of those and do a quick video on that as well to display the difference to you clearly. They're not compatible with every single jacket out there. It won't be backwards compatible, but for the stuff moving forward, that insert is going to be usable with that new pocket. Storage pockets, Velcro closure here on the right side, as we already showed you on the left side. Nice waterproof storage pocket, great place to put your cell phone. What do I think? This is going to be my new favorite Alpinestars summer jacket. It looks great. The construction is great. Tons of ventilation, right? Tech Air ready if you want to throw a Tech Air 5 underneath this to really enhance the protection. It's been optimized to allow for the deployment of the airbag vest. This is a great piece, and at the current retail price, I believe it's also a good value. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.